Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. Oh my gosh, Christmas is in a few days, so I'm gonna go out and do the rest of my Christmas shopping because then I can stay home. Tomorrow is the 23rd. Yes, the 23rd, and then Friday is Christmas Eve, so I can stay home tomorrow and Christmas Eve day then, and I'll have everything ready. So I'm gonna get my groceries for Christmas. There's a tickle in my throat. I'm gonna get my groceries for Christmas, as well as finish up my Christmas shopping. I need to go to the pet store for Roogs, and then get Derek's stocking stuffers still. So I'm gonna also bring him to the dog park. He knows we're leaving. And we're gonna go have a little play at the dog park first, and then we're gonna run into the stores, and then we should be good to go. So super excited to get all that out of the way, and let's head out. Hi, buddy. Hey, I just got home. We had a great time at the dog park. Really good visit there. And my boots came. Let's open these. Let's see if I like them. So cute. Like literally exactly what I had envisioned. The heel's a little bigger than I thought, but I hope they fit me. They're so cute. Like for 50 bucks on Amazon. Yes! I have thick socks on. Socks don't help, but they fit. 7.5 is always a good one for me. I don't know if you can see them, hold on. I'll show you them later. They're so cute. Oh, and so comfy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about that. Yes! Okay. I just spent some money too on some Christmas presents, or no, sorry, some groceries for Christmas, and we went to Canadian Tire, the dog park, the dog Pet Value, and then the grocery store. So I got this wrapping paper at Canadian Tire so I can wrap, but I'll show you what groceries I got. Okay, so here is the groceries. So I got rice cakes. I eat one of these every day. I got milk for my mac and cheese and my French toast casserole. I got steak for Christmas Eve. We're having steak and potatoes. Green bean casserole, or green beans for my green bean casserole. Old-fashioned brown sugar for my French toast casserole. Noodles for my mac and cheese. Butter. I got 2 things of butter for the French toast casserole and the mac and cheese. Needed butter. Cream of chicken and cream of mushroom for the green bean casserole. And tomato sauce for dinner tonight. I got tortellini. We never eat tortellini, and I was like, you know what, that looks really good. So I got that for tonight. Bananas. And then this is Derek's stocking stuffers. Some Rolling Rock beer. He loves Reese, so I got the Reese peanut butter cream eggs. I don't know if they're good or not, but some gum, and then this Reese lovers pack. So it has all these different kinds of Reese. I know he's only gonna like the original one probably because that's just the kind of person he is, but and then I got bacon pieces for the potatoes we're having on Christmas Eve, and chocolate pie ingredients for Christmas Eve. Then Christmas Day, I'm going to my parents, and I told them I'd bring buns, and these were kind of expensive compared to like the other pack I had, but they're the really good like butter flaky buns, so I was like, yeah, we need those. There's only 4 of us, so. And then this bread is for my French toast casserole. on Christmas morning. We're doing brunch at my husband's family. And then potatoes for Christmas Eve, cheese for my mac and cheese. This crispy onions goes on the French toast casserole. And then I always keep like seasoned potato wedges in the freezer for dinner, like for a side. So that was everything I got. Oh yeah, and I've been looking for, I was gonna order the Columbia black fleece sweater for snowmobiling as my layer under my coat, but I found this one at Joe Fresh and it was only $20. Now the Columbia one is definitely going to be a better, thicker material probably, but it was like 60 bucks. So I got this one instead, and I have other layers on too, not just this, so I'm sure this will work out just fine. And it doesn't have a hood, which is what I wanted because I hate having a hood under my helmet. So that was a good score, and that is what I got. So I did all my Christmas shopping. Now I'm all done. Got dog food, everything's stocked up, and I just am so happy because now I don't have to leave my house unless I want to, which I probably won't until Christmas Day when we go to my husband's family's for brunch. We're gonna have just the two of us for dinner. I think we might have a bonfire because it's only the two of us. So I was like, why don't we have a bonfire and have a bonfire, have dinner, and watch some Christmas movies or something. So usually my cousin is with us on Christmas Eve, but she's a boyfriend now, so we don't have her anymore, so sad year. But so my husband isn't working that day, neither am I, so I was like, oh, we should just have a bonfire, like chill. I have to make all the food, which I'll probably do that in the morning, then it's just ready to go for the next day. And then Christmas morning we wake up at our house, do our own gift exchange, and then go to his parents, which is like 20 minutes that way, and we do brunch and do presents with them. Sometimes we play cards, and then come back here and pick up Ruger, and then go to my parents for the afternoon for dinner, and then we stay there overnight because we have nowhere else to be then. So that's usually what we do. Now that COVID's happened, it was different before, but so I don't have to go anywhere until we go for brunch. I'm fully stocked. We have lots of food still from my party the other day. Lots of like eggnog and wine and stuff, so I literally don't have to go anywhere, not even the LCBO, which is so good. I don't know why my face is like that over here, but anyways, it has been a great morning. We had a good time in town. Ruger is chewing a bone now. He was so good at the dog park. This poor husky was there, like an older husky, and he just started like throwing up behind me. And the one thing I don't like about the dog park is like I always have my eye on Ruger, and people don't watch their dogs at all, which like not for aggression reasons, but like I saw like 3 dogs poop and they just aren't watching them, so then no one picks it up, and that drives me nuts because like the point of like going to the dog park is like to keep it clean and respectful, so I don't like that. So this guy's dog was literally throwing up behind me, and no one was paying attention, and I didn't know whose dog it was. And the time that I go, it often has like a lot of the same people there, and it's an older crowd. So then I was like, oh, whoever's husky that is like just threw up over there. And then all the other dogs were really starting to go eat it. So this one guy had a shovel and he starts to pick it up, and I'm like, I don't know, like I felt bad for the husky. I'm like, I want to let your owner know in case you're sick, but also like watch your dogs, like clean up after them. Like I don't like that at all. So anyways, there's my little rant for the day. And I find it's like, not like, no offense, but it's like the older people, and they'll sometimes like I've noticed them like look away because their dog is so far away that they don't want to like go pick it up. So I don't know. But yeah, if you're at the dog park, please, please, please watch your dog and clean up after it when it poops. It's just common courtesy. That's why like I see all these posts about people like on the group being like, oh, like clean up after yourself. Like there's this one volunteer that goes around and cleans up, and I'm like, who doesn't clean up? Like that's so disrespectful. And then I go there and I watch all these people like not doing it. I'm like, ew. Anyways, really drives me crazy. But I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. I have the McKnight twins to watch, and I'm hoping that Cameron Jewel uploaded her Vlogmas. She got in a car wreck the other day, so but I like I'm obsessed with her right now. Her vlogs are so good. I don't know why, I just really like her. And yeah, the McKnight twins. Oh yay, an 18-minute video. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and then finish putting away everything, and I don't know what we're gonna do this afternoon now that we have all of our errands done. But okay, so I'm gonna wrap this present. It is a Yeti, a big Yeti, and a Yeti shirt, because we are Yeti people. We have so many Yetis and we use them all. So got Derek a big one because the other morning, actually, I had already got him this present, but he ended up taking 2 smaller Yetis of coffee because he wanted another coffee for later. So I was like, oh well, just get him a big one, which I had already got him. So I was like, oh, that's good. Means that he'll use it. So just going to wrap, and then unfortunately the other presents of his are at my mom's house because I had been storing them there, but then I never really thought about how I wasn't gonna get them. So she's supposed to give them to my husband. I don't think she's doing it today, so it might be tomorrow. But and she just put it in a box so he couldn't see. And then his other last present is actually at my friend's house because she ordered it so he wouldn't see it. But she's also in like an hour away, so I asked him to pick it up. And he hasn't, like I asked Derek to pick up his own present from her house and he hasn't yet. So hopefully he does that because that's the like big present. So I want him to have that to open. But I have this one, and I also have my nephew's present, so I'm gonna get and wrap quickly. So I got my 9-year-old nephew this 4 in a row NHL game. And I think it has, oh, it's 4 in a row and checkers, which are like the 2 best games. And then I got my 3-year-old nephew this tractor Lego. So I only get them like 1 present each. Watching 20, what's it called, 20 something, oh, on Netflix, and it's actually a really good show. Now that I started talking, we're just he's just getting some scratches. I'm just watching. I'm gonna take notes in. I know. Okay, so the boots are beautiful. They were exactly what I was looking for, and I like the bodysuit. I just don't really have any pants to wear it with. Like, I don't really have any nice pants. Also, yeah, I don't even know what pants I'd wear it with. These are like the only ones that are like mildly high-waisted that fit me right now, and I don't really love it. So, I don't know. I thought I would like it a little bit more. I'm like out of breath from having these pants on. But yeah, the boots, really love the boots. And they are really slippy though. So you Canadian girls, watch out on, they're slippy on this floor. So I can't imagine on the ice, but also they're so comfortable. Like there's like a cloud cushioning in them. I don't even like, can't even describe it, but I do like the look of them, like with the frays on these pants. Just not the top with this outfit. And I don't really know what else to wear it with. Like I've seen these bodysuits like on girls, but I really thought about what they wear with them. But like they look cute on them. Anyways, maybe I can think of something or find a pair of pants. Like we'll go with this. I think like this, all black, pants come up a little higher, like to here. Look really cute. And then like with a leather jacket or something. Just loving the black lately. These pants are really snug too. Ever since my foot injury, I have gained a little bit of weight, so I just need like one pant size up. I don't really, like I hate buying pants, but so I just need like one size bigger in these, but this was kind of more the look I was going for. And I like this more, but again, like I want the pants to be a little bit higher because they're not hitting the right spot. These are definitely like mid-rise pants, but kind of like Catwoman or something. But yeah, this was definitely the look I was going for more. Yeah, they go down like really low here. And then like with a jacket or something. So cute, and a little tan and my makeup done, but I'm gonna have to find like a pair of pants like these, but in a bigger size. Like that's the right call there. Definitely keeping the boots though. Perfect size and so cute. Okay, I look like a hermit now, but it's gross out, and I just started eating dinner. I have dill pickle salad, the rest of it, it's gone now, and then the tortellini with tomato sauce on. I'm not really a pasta person. I don't really know what you're supposed to mix with tortellini, or if you're supposed to eat it with sauce at all, so let me know what you eat tortellini with, because it tastes good, but like not great. And then my iPad's charging over there. I just finished 20 something, and now I'm watching Emily in Paris. They have a new season out, so that is gonna be it for today, and thanks for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow.